Utpal, how is IIJS Premiere 2023 coming along for you? Tell us about your presence at IIJS Premiere 2023.
Hi Sandhya. Yes, we are very thrilled with this IIJS 2023. And with so much of research and innovation going on. Yes, it's very nice. Thank you.
So Microscopes, the diamond industry lasts 20-30 years. You get what I'm saying. Tell the audience of Lab Grown Diamonds magazine what new they can expect from your booth at IIJS.
Yes, the microscopes in diamond industry has got nothing new in last 10-20 years. So we have now new range of digital microscopes for gems and jewelry industry with new adaptive multi-light, which has for the very first time surpassed the human visions with its innovative adaptive lighting systems. This will help the graders to see the inclusions or imperfections of the diamond in the most simplest possible way.
Tell us about the world's first 3D monitors.
We are putting our main attraction, and yes, the world's first 3D monitors, TV screens where you don't require glass at all. So you will be able to see the 3D without any polarized glass. Yes, you heard it right. No glasses at all. So you witness this in our booth. And yes, our helium polish 3D diamond scanner with the new carbon software upgrades and smart tickets for round and fancy stones with never before recut options, with a strong AI-based support for our most popular Cutwise online platform.
Okay, and what are your plans for all the remaining days at IIJS?
So yeah, the plans are simple, which we are doing from last 30 plus years, helping the diamond industry, whether it is natural or the lab growns, both. We'll be demonstrating our most popular Cutwise online B2B and B2C reporting platform, showing the capabilities of it with most innovative interactive 3-dimensional HTML reports and all the 4Cs, and of course beyond 4Cs with exact real color comparison, clarity charting and all parameters, both for natural and lab grown diamond. And yes, with the final analytical scores with photoreal rendering of the polished diamond with the scores of fire, brilliance, optical symmetry and the overall beauty grades to compare. All this data can be exported for tracer or your own ERP along with the diamond history right from rough to polish.
Alright, and what are your expectations from IIJS Premiere 2023?
We are expecting a good overall experience and showcase of our strengths which will help the diamond industry. With the GI ID 100, the GI will be able to demonstrate the demarcation or the difference between natural and lab grown even in the mounted jewelry. The Cutwise Live Desktop Unit is for the jewelers to demonstrate and justify everything what we said earlier regarding the beauty of a well-cut diamond with the user with their own eyes to compare and believe. Client will boost their diamond process and hence the sales.
Alright, great. Your concluding remarks for the viewers watching this right now about the mined and lab-grown diamonds, about the future, about the innovations and more.
So the idea is very simple. Just keep it simple. Both natural and the lab-grown diamond industry in India are here to flourish. With the right combo of the excellent Indian skills and the technological advancements which we have done in last 1 or 2 years, will have a good success rate for the entire industry. If you see the success rate of Galahad Compass in the industry from last 1-2 years, and now yes, with the automatic brakes or auto stop, this will be doing wonders. We'll be keeping our ethical pledge of helping the diamond industry as a whole with our innovations. Last message to all, keep innovating and do not try to fight among yourselves and cut corners or cut your margins.
Utpal, thanks for sharing your thoughts. All the best.
All the best to you and to the entire gem and jewelry industry to flourish in coming years. Thank you very much.